Hey Flutter devs! Welcome back to BLoC Mistakes, the series where we fix one common mistake at a time. Mistake number 3, forgetting to close your BLoC or Cubit. When you create a BLoC or Cubit manually and you don't close it in dispose, you are leaking memory. Why? Because every BLoC holds a stream, and that stream stays alive until you explicitly close it. If you forget, the stream keeps listening even after the widget is gone. That means memory stays allocated, unnecessary events keep processing, and over time your app slows down and even crashes. Let's look at the bad code here. This BLoC stays alive forever until the garbage collector finally kicks in, maybe. Now, here's the correct way to do it. That one line saves your app from memory leaks, crash, and unpredictable behavior. Here is a pro tip. If you're using BlocProvider and not creating the BLoC manually, this is a good news. So, because the BlocProvider will automatically close the BLoC for you when the widget is disposed. So, unless you are manually instantiating the BLoC, you don't need to worry, but once you create it by yourself, the responsibility is yours. So, here's your takeaway. If you create BLoC manually, always call .close in dispose. And if you use BlocProvider, it handles that for you. Respect your streams, clean up after yourself, your memory, and your users. Well, thank you. This was a mistake number 3 in the BLoC Mistakes series. Follow for more deep Flutter tips.